Hello, I don't know what video this will be for, but probably for a random vlog because I cut my week-long knitting break short by 2 days. I just finished filming a podcast and I was just like, you know what? I'm going to knit. I don't care. This is the only project that I have on my needles because I'm a monogamous knitter now and I only knit project to project now. And I have my socks and I just feel like knitting my socks. So break over, yay. I'm going to use the next 2 days to knit and finish these socks and start my sweater on the day that I was supposed to, end my break. So I think this is going to be fun. I think I can actually, I'm going to finish this sock today. I'm going to start on the second sock today as well. And I believe I can finish the next sock tomorrow. It doesn't take long to do socks when you're like actively working on them. So the second sock will definitely be done by tomorrow. And then the second, October 2nd, is when I will start on the halibut sweater. So join me in this random vlog. I'm at the toe. So now I'm going to be doing magic loop. I love when I get to the toe because I actually love magic loop with the toe. It's really fun. Magic loop in general is fun now that I know how to do it. It's very annoying because I feel like I'm just doing too much work for no reason, but it's fun. So let's do this. I'm supposed to, oh no. I'm supposed to be using a different color because I'm doing contrast heel, toe, and cuff, and I literally have the yarn right here laid out ready, and I still started knitting with the main color. Oh gosh, now I gotta take this all apart. It's not like it's a lot, it's just there are decreases, so I don't really like undoing decreases, but I am not going to switch the color. Hello? Alright, we're back. Let's get it.
4 shots and you're pouring me a fit, but no girl's ever looked at me like this. Your roommate's pissed, she's halfway out the door. We throw our glasses back and
It's next day. I started the second sock. I finished the first one. Let me show you. Boom. Finished the first one. Looks like McDonald's. Starting the second one. I want to finish it today, but it's also almost 5 p.m. and, who knows if I'll get this done today. I'm supposed to start my project, my halibut sweater, tomorrow. But I'll probably start at midday because I want to finish this. I really want to get all of my projects off my needles. So aka this, I don't want any whip. Okay, like I want to have 0 whips on the needles. So this is what I'm doing today, and then tomorrow morning I will wake up and finish it off if I need to. Which I feel like I will need to, because after this I'm going to do the heel, and I feel like I'll be finishing the foot and the toe tomorrow, but again, we'll see. I'm having fun knitting this because I felt like, what is life without knitting, okay? So knitting on this sock has been great. But anyway, I'm going to continue on this, see what progress I can get. I want to finish the leg for sure, and the heel. So let's continue knitting. Progress update. I did not start my sweater today because I realized I'll need to start it on a specific date. What the heck? So I'm going to put this down right here. There's Kahila. And I got to, this is the next day, by the way. I got to the heel. I finished the heel, so now I'm decreasing. I'm going to start decreasing the gusset, and then I'm going to start on the foot of the sock. Yeah.
Just a random vlog.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Literally just a random vlog. So this is where I'm at for reference. For people who have not knit socks, I'm right here. Literally right there. So that's what's gonna happen now, and I want to be able to finish it tonight. We'll see. At least I want to get a lot of progress done, and then I'll finish it like tomorrow morning, afternoon, and then start my sweater. It's the next day again. Another next day. And I still haven't finished the sock. I mean, this is taking the normal length of time that a sock takes. This is, what, day 3? So, it's not surprising, okay? I'm almost done. I just have, like, I don't know, actually. I haven't measured it yet. Wait. I am basically 18 centimeters into it, and I need 3.5 more centimeters. So I could get to 21.5 centimeters for the entire foot, including the heel. So from here to here, which is 8.5 inches, which aligns with how long my foot is, obviously. So yeah, 1, 2, 3.5. Let's count how many rounds 3.5 centimeters is. You can't see me. Hold on. Let's do that. There we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So 13 more rounds before the toe. Let's get to it. I'm going to also edit my next YouTube video. I edited my Amy sweater video today. No, what? I edited my Amy sweater video yesterday. I scheduled it to post today. It should be posting in like less than 30 minutes. And today I'm going to edit my podcast. I'm going to be starting my halibut sweater, and I'm going to be recording and filming every single day. So I'm going to be posting a video every single day. And so I need to get these videos out before my halibut sweater videos. I want to have a week's worth of filming before I start posting my halibut sweater videos. So the videos you guys will see, I will already be an entire week ahead. And then I will probably edit, like bulk edit a bunch of videos. Because the videos aren't going to be long. They're going to be like 10 to 15 minutes long. I don't want them to be super long since I'm going to be posting every single day. And yeah, I think that'll be cool. Since I do this for my TikTok, like I post updates and stuff, I feel like I should do the same for YouTube. So anyway. The socks are finished. I literally had to, so this is the sock. It came with a 20-gram skein. This is how much I have left of the main color, by the way, which is crazy. But I had to get my scraps of yarn to tie it together to be able to bind off. That's how little yarn I had left of the 20-gram skein, which is interesting because I thought it always came with just enough yarn to do this, but I guess it does come with literally just enough. But here it is, and let me put it on my feet. Oh shoot, okay, there we go. Ooh, this looks so cool. This is the sock. It's very nice. And I don't really wear my socks. I literally just, I have my socks literally just so that I can make socks. Like I have my sock sets and stuff just to make them because I think they look pretty. But not because I want to actually like wear them. Does that make sense? They're like little trophies to wear. They're so cool. Ding. Yeah. Anyway, that's it for this random vlog. I did not expect to film this, but next I'm going to work on my halibut sweater. You're going to see my podcast after this in a couple days. And yeah, that's it for me. Thanks so much for watching. Remember to like and subscribe and share it, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.